Hey, my stylist friends. So it's so important to your creativity that you do out of the office days, okay? So out of the office days is when you're not in the salon servicing clients, but you're doing something creative, and it's a plus if it's industry related. I just launched content days. Content days is days where I help other people. They could be in the beauty industry, or like my client Keisha, she's a realtor. I help her with her image and help her create her content, okay? And so we're here at a model home doing a photo shoot, and I am assisting Keisha with her looks and her posing. This feeds my creativity, and it makes me even more excited about hair and makeup and beauty. So why don't you find something creative that you can do that will feed your creativity as well? Yeah. Yeah, lean in, and then maybe put your hands. Yeah, that's cute.
You gonna hold that pose because I'm gonna come in closer.
Oh, you good? You good? I like your glasses.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, guess what? I got my first deal. It's a Highlands home in Balmoral.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, I work for Nick.
Oh, this is pretty. Do you have any accessories?
No. Girl, I was rushing home, forgot my earrings and everything, but it's okay.
Yeah,
I'll be
it's still cute.
Yeah.
And then there's so much stuff in here. Too.
Yeah.
I kind of come here, like lean like that,
Okay, gotcha.
like and then smile, like kind of lean and smile, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Like
Yeah,
this?
like that. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah. I want you to like lean into it like that, like hold on. But hands on this side, like kind of like that, and that should be good.
Okay.